Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting, shopping, decor and makeovers. So today I am going to show you how things have been going in the dollhouse. I hope you've been keeping up to date with my shorts on YouTube and my reels on Instagram, as I showed you my blind, which was the first thing I made for my new office, using an offcut from the blind from my real office, which I showed you a couple of videos back if you're interested in having a look at how that is, because it's very much so inspired my dollhouse office. This used to be the kitchen, which it was a bit too tiny for a kitchen, which is why I've done a big rejig round in the dollhouse. So now it's all stripped out, ready to become the office. So here's the flooring that I'm using. It's basically peel off stick-on tiles from Poundland, came in a pack, and I've just cut all the pieces and then ta-da! There they are down, the floor has been laid. I think that looks quite nice and interesting. And then I'm going to do the walls, and I've took inspiration from my office, which is grey, so I've used some grey paper, and ta-da, here is the same. So all the wallpaper's up now and the flooring's in, and it's already starting to look like a nice room. Taken inspiration from my real office again here for the ceiling light shade. It's a silver one, just like in my office. I got a super bargain from the car boot for 50p, and this is also a super bargain because I got these papers from the works half price the other week. So I now have a lovely ceiling light. Now I've used a furniture that I already had made, that I've used in different rooms, and as part of the renovation, different furniture is now not required, so I can use it in my office. But I have also had to make some new furniture. So I'm making a desk very much based on my real desk. So I just got some cardboard, cut the size I wanted and sellotaped it all together, which is nice and easy. And then I printed off some beach effect wood look, and just cut it and covered it. And then I put some beads on for the drawers, and then put some silver tape round to make the drawers stand out a bit more. And I'm really happy with how that's turned out. So let's have a little more in-depth look, see how it's going. So this side of the dollhouse has the bathroom upstairs, which I'm still really pleased with. If you remember, I was thinking of putting something there, maybe a towel rail on the wall, but one of my viewers, Carla Thomas, shout out to you, said that she liked the space and thought maybe I should leave it. So I'm going to take your advice for now, Carla, and I'm going to leave it as it is. So let's have a look down now in the office. So there's the blind. And then I have put in some furniture here. Obviously I'm not finished. This is just part one of the video this week, and then I will have to do some more making and some more arranging to completely finish it. But using what I already have and some little extras, here's what we're going with so far. So we have the ceiling light in place, and then the lovely grey walls and the tiled floor. And then I have put this picture up on the back wall. I haven't put it in the centre because I'm actually going to put a chair in, and it doesn't, I think it looks better once the furniture's in that it's off to the side. I also might put a clock on that wall. So I do love to use my beauty products, and here is a perfume bottle being repurposed into a standard lamp. As you can see, I've actually got a silvery candle which goes very nice with the silver shade, which you'll have noticed matches the ceiling shade, and I've just blue tacked it on the top of the perfume bottle, and I think that makes a lovely standard lamp there. And I actually, again, taking inspiration from the real office, I do have a standard lamp in my corner in my office. So I've had this armchair in a few different rooms, bedroom and living room, and now I'm thinking I'm going to put it in the office in the corner, have a little reading corner or a place to have a coffee. So I probably will have to make another coffee table and put that next to it. This unit I already had. It was in my living room and my TV was on it originally. I'm now going to use it as a storage cupboard and a place to put all my home decor magazines. So in goes 25 Beautiful Homes and in goes House Beautiful, and I've also got some issues of Ideal Home. So those will all go there for my inspiration. And then obviously the pretend drawers and cupboards, that's where I would put my paper cutter and laminator and all that sort of thing will be in there. And then obviously I have a plant in my office. So here comes the plant for this office. Again, it's just a toiletry lid and just a piece of greenery cut off a faux plant and then tucked in, quite effective. Here's the desk. I'm really pleased with this. Again, it's modelled on my real desk. The drawers are a bit different on my real desk, but I thought that looks really nice. And also in my real office, I did reconfigure the desk so it worked a bit better. So I'm going with that same layout of the desk, away from the wall and in the middle rather than against one of the walls. And then this computer I have made previous. I printed it. It was basically a printable, and then I just stuck it onto a piece of cardboard. But I think it looks really cute. And my notebook, I previously made that. And also I've got a little pencil pot that I used, just some bamboo sticks that I cut and coloured in to look like pencils. And that's a little tiny little lid, I think, off a spray bottle. So that's going on my desk for now. So I think it's all starting to come together. Obviously there's a few more things that need to go in, but that's going to come in part 2. And then here's another piece of furniture that I also had. This was in the living room and then moved to the craft room, and it's where I'm going to keep all my box files and books that were originally on a really big bookcase. And I think that fits a lot nicer. And as you can see, it will be under the window, so when the door's shut, it will look like it's under the window in the dollhouse, which makes sense. And then this little plant pot with a bit of brown tissue in, and then the faux plant stuck in, that was on the old bookcase, and you probably didn't really see it much. And then this little container is just a piece of card with a button and then a sequin on the top hiding the button. So it's a little storage jar. That was also on the original bookcase. And then as we are coming into autumn, I thought, oh, let's have a little pumpkin, because I've got lots of pumpkins around my real house. So I think best get one in the dollhouse. So that's a bit of decor there on top of that unit. And that's, again, what I've tried to do in my real office. So I'm really happy with how it's looking so far. So as you can see, the basics are in there. But I am going to put probably a mirror and some artwork and maybe some shelves up on the walls. I've got to put something on that unit. I've got to create a new chair. So there's a little bit more decor to do. But I'm really happy with how it's gone so far. So I hope that I've given you a little bit of inspiration for your dollhouse or your crafting ideas. And maybe even for your real decor ideas. So have another little look round and see what you think. So I hope you enjoyed watching that today. I definitely enjoyed making them, and I am looking forward to do all the little finishing touches that need to be done. So as always, thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, check me out on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next video. So thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.